This is why you should sleep on your left side. Everyone knows how important sleep is for keeping in good physical and mental health. However, how long you sleep is just as important as the way you sleep. The position you sleep in can affect your health, help keep your skin looking young, and boost your digestive health. Here are 6 ways sleeping on your left side is good for your health. 1. It bolsters the lymphatic system. Ayurvedic medicine says that sleeping on your left side lets your body better filter lymph fluid and waste through the lymph nodes. This is because the left side of our body is the stronger lymphatic side. Western studies also found that sleeping on the left side can help the body break down waste materials from the brain. However, sleeping on the right side can lower the lymphatic system's power. 2. It may improve digestion. When it comes to digestion, sleeping on the left side may be better than the right because of gravity. Lying on the left side lets food waste easily move from the large intestine into the lower colon, meaning you're more likely to have a bowel movement when you wake up. Sleeping on the left side lets the stomach and pancreas hang naturally because our stomach lies on the left side of the body. This can make sure the body keeps creating pancreatic enzymes and will help other digestive processes. 3. It's good for your heart. Doctors advise that pregnant women sleep on their left side to boost circulation to the heart. Even if you're not pregnant or a woman, sleeping on the left side may help take some weight off the heart. Gravity can help lymph drainage toward the heart and aortic circulation away from the heart. 4. It's ideal for pregnant women. Sleeping on the left side doesn't only boost pregnant women's circulation, it can also help ease weight on the back, keep the uterus from squeezing the liver, and raise blood flow to the uterus, kidneys, and fetus. For this reason, doctors tell pregnant women to spend as much of their sleep time as possible on their left sides. 5. It may reduce heartburn. A study written in the Journal of Clinical Gastroenterology found that lying on the left side can help lower acid reflux signs. This is because our stomach lies on the left side. Lying on the right side may worsen these signs. The help comes very fast. If you're feeling heartburn after a meal, try lying down on your left side for 10 minutes. 6. It may relieve back pain. People with chronic back pain may feel a little better if they switch to sleeping on their left side. That's because sleeping on your side can ease weight on the spine. Feeling more comfortable will raise your chances of getting a good night's sleep. If you usually sleep on your back, your front, or your right side, you may wonder how to break that habit and start sleeping on your left side. It will take some time and practice, but you will be able to quickly train your body to sleep in this position. Here are some tips. You can try lying on your left side and press a full-length body pillow up against your back. The pillow will stop you from rolling over during the night. Try switching the side of the bed you sleep on. This will make it easier for you to flip to your other side and have the same great sleep. Another trick is to keep a dim light lit on your right side. Because your body will naturally want to turn away from the light while you sleep, it will make it easier for you to sleep on your left side. Try these small changes as soon as you can. They will make your sleep better and lead you to better health. It's important to note that some people, like those with heart disease, sleep apnea, glaucoma, and carpal tunnel syndrome, may not get help from sleeping on their left sides. If you're not sure about what sleep position would be best for you, it's always a good idea to ask a doctor.